Hello everyone, welcome to the Crafty Queen channel, and if you haven't already subscribed, please help me reach my goal and go ahead and do so. I have a question for you. Do you have the same problem with your water hose? Because if so, you need a water hose guide in order to fix it. Now, the water hose guide could range from anywhere from $5 to $8 for the plastic ones, or it could be $13 to $40 for the metal ones, which are the ones that I like, but I'm not paying that much for this. Now, there's other DIY options out there, but I didn't really care for how any of them look for the price that they were going to cost. Now, I think that the figurines at Dollar Tree have the best look for the best price, and they have different options for you to choose from. And you can use the spikes from the solar pathway lights to stick them in the ground. These lights could be found for $1 at Dollar Tree or even at Walmart. I bought 3 of these mushroom figurines, and I'm going to glue them to the top of these spikes. And I'm going to use E6000 and a hot glue gun to make sure that it's secure. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I think these turned out great, and I managed to make 3 of them for only $6, and I hope that you found this video helpful for you too. Thank you for watching, and like always, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any notifications. Bye!